Alright, so this is a cube Joey's gonna do. I'm gonna go scramble it. And I'm gonna turn my back so he can't see what I'm doing.
Hey, Felix. So he scrambled a 1x3x3 cube into a well. That's a pretty cool thing about like odd by odd by odd cubes and.
Alright, so this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna have the camera. I'm gonna give Joey about like five seconds or so to take a look at it. Then I'm gonna walk up the stairs, and he has to stay with me. If the camera, if the cube is out of sight,
Okay.
it's over.
Don't go too fast or too slow.
I'll try not to. Okay, so we're still going.
Okay, so where's the cube?
Cube is here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go.
Oh man. Okay.
Second floor.
Okay.
I gave up on going backwards.
It's the original plan. Okay. Done. And
There you go. We just passed 7, but that's okay. So let's see. You got it. Let's take the elevator down. Yeah. Tired of stairs at the moment.